everyone, welcome to episode 17 of the News November series। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक एक्विजिशन की। रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज ने एक्वायर किया है 96% स्टेक इन अर्बन लैडर। पर उससे पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल फॉर्मुलेटिंग फाइनेंस एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। Urban Ladder was co-founded in 2012 by Ashish Goyal and Rajiv Srivastav. Urban Ladder is a furniture and decor related seller which operates a chain of retail stores in NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. Urban Ladder की valuation थी ₹1200 crore in 2018 which drastically dropped to ₹750 crore in 2019. Urban Ladder's audited turnover was ₹434 crore in FY19 and ₹151 crore in FY18. Urban Ladder was struggling for the past few years because of financial crunch, and there was a lot of pressure from investors as well to turn profitable. Last year, the firm also laid off hundreds of its employees. बात करते हैं रिलायंस की। It was an attempt to expand its presence in India's online retail market. Reliance Retail Ventures, which is a subsidiary of Reliance, has acquired equity shares of Urban Ladder for cash consideration of ₹182 crore. This investment represents about 96% holding in the equity share capital of Urban Ladder. RRVL also has the option of acquiring the remaining stake. It has proposed to make further investment of up to ₹75 crore, which is expected to be completed by December 2023. India's furniture industry is projected to double to over 61 billion by 2023. The acquisition of Reliance will further enable the group's digital and new commerce initiative and will widen the bouquet of consumer products provided by the group. The conglomerate is looking to expand its new commerce venture which connects neighborhood stores to the lines for online delivery of groceries, electronics and apparel. All this is done in order to emerge as a potent competitor to current e-commerce leaders such as Jeff Bezos-led Amazon, Walmart-owned Flipkart, Swedish home furnishing major IKEA and smaller rival Pepperfry. I hope you got a quick review of fire sale by Urban Ladder and Reliance strategies. Do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.